Now over in this area, this is another experiment. These are this is salvia. My mum gave me these plants, and they're much bigger than I thought. Or if you let them go, they get taller and taller and taller, and they almost have like a cane on it, like a sunflower. And they do branch out, and they're bushy and green when they're growing. It doesn't look very sticky and leggy when they're growing. So they're quite lush, and they have the most amazing big long string of flowers, and they attract the honeyeaters, and I have the honeyeaters in the garden, which is amazing. But they were finished, and I usually cut them off down near the ground, and then they just grow again. But this time I decided to experiment and make these bean supports out of it, and plant beans beside it, and see if they're a good companion plant for it, because the leaves have a scent. They have a scent, and it's quite, it's an obvious scent. I was thinking maybe it might confuse the pests that get on beans. So I've planted some beans in there. I've got some wax and a snake bean in there, which grows very, very, very long, the bean itself. So they're both climbers, and I also put some cowpea seeds that aren't supposed to be climbers, but they still may climb. And then along the back of the fence, I've put peas and mustard seeds not from seed packets, for the garden, but from food packets. And if they don't grow well, it doesn't really matter, because they will feed the soil. But if they do, yippee.
So we started working on our very small suburban backyard and little side sections. We've got an alley in this section here about 4 months ago, and with limited resources or on a budget, we've tried to recycle, use free goods and free resources, and DIY a lot of solutions to grow more vegetables, and grow vegetables where there wasn't vegetables, there was ornamentals, or there was masses of weeds. So I hope to share those little projects, the successes and failures, and many have been successes already. That's the flower of the salvia right there. And encourage others to sow some seeds in their yards and grow more on their allotted soil. The blue peas that I sowed along the back of the fence in this area sprouted in only a few days. So these will improve the soil in this area, and I've not really done much with this area. It's received the leaves from the salvia constantly, and the autumn leaves dropped on it, which has fed it. But worst case scenario, we could use these as microgreens. We may get peas to eat out of them. Otherwise, the chickens will be benefit from it. But the packet that I grew, the ones you buy to plant in the ground, the snap peas did not grow. I lost the whole lot. So this is what I'm trying next. So before the video ends, please like and subscribe if you'd like to follow my journey in my Melbourne suburban backyard. We're making progress there, from weeds to seeds to hopefully lots of food. Thanks for watching.